Why use forms features in Mobohubb? Are you still relying on paper forms, spreadsheets, or manual reports to collect information from the field? These processes can be time consuming, difficult to track, and prone to errors. With the report/checklist feature in Mobohubb, you can create customized digital forms directly from the web portal and make them instantly available to your field teams. Whether you need incident reports, inspections, maintenance requests, audits, visitor logs, or checklists, Mobohubb allows you to build forms that fit your specific operational needs. You can include text fields, multiple choice questions, checkboxes, signatures, photo uploads, and required fields to ensure important information is never missed. Every submission is stored digitally and can include employee information, timestamps, and supporting details, giving your organization greater accountability, traceability, and real-time visibility into field activities. Managers can quickly review submissions, identify issues faster, and keep all records organized in one central location. By digitizing your forms with Mobohubb, you can reduce paperwork, minimize human error, standardize reporting processes, and make better decisions with accurate information from the field.